experiment number 2. Subukan natin ngayon walang sound sa isa pang cellphone. Cellphone na yan. Tinanggal kasi natin yung pyesa. Subukan natin. What can I do? Pictures of you still make me cry. Trying to live without your love. It's so hard to do. Some nights I wake up, I look at your pillow, hoping that I see you there. But I get up each day, not much to say. I'm nowhere to go. Loneliness fills me up inside, 'cause I'm missing you. So if you gave us a chance to remember the love that we had once together, wait and see. And that's all that we really need. I'm praying you won't say no. I need to tell you, don't let it end. Baby, we could have so much more. Don't let it end. Honey, please don't walk out the door. I'm begging you, baby. Hold tight and I'm